variations day by day. Quite cloudy across the British Isles today. Tomorrow, a much sunnier prospect for a good many parts of the British Isles and on the dry side for many of us as well. But yesterday was really quite cloudy. Don't feel too cheated. Pretty much everybody was in the same boat. And that cloud, some areas quite thin, quite high, quite a bit of brightness getting through. Others, well, the cloud really quite low, quite murky conditions. Just notice away towards the near continent, rather clearer skies there. And they've shown signs of drifting towards the British Isles in the past few hours and will continue to do so over the next few, allowing the skies to clear across central and eastern areas, allowing touches of frost to break out there, you'll notice, and it will be quite a chilly old night. But where you keep the cloud away towards the north and west, a much milder prospect. But at least with those clear skies, it means you're going to get away to a glorious start tomorrow. Far more sunshine than you saw today across the southeast, the Midlands, East Anglia, up towards Lincolnshire and into Yorkshire too. Much further north than that, and you run into the last bit of the cloud that we saw today, still hanging around there. Eastern Scotland, a fair enough start today, but out towards the west, an old weather front here, still producing the odd bit and piece of rain, particularly across the Western Isles. Northern Ireland, though, hints of brightness to start off your day, particularly in the east. The further west you are, the more cloudy your skies will be. The eastern side of Wales also faring quite nicely, rather cloudy further to the west. And if you're west of the Tamar to start off your day, it may well be again that you'll see quite a bit of cloud here. But as I take you on through the morning, you'll see that the sunshine really does pour on through. And even those areas across England, Wales, eastern Scotland that start off rather cloudy, well, I'm hopeful that much of that cloud will break up, just turning thin and high for the most part. Perhaps your sunshine a wee bit hazy. Not such a bright prospect, I have to say, across the western side of Scotland. Still a hint of drizzle here quite late on sunshine, 12, 13, 14 if you're lucky, 10 if you're over towards the east coast. Now there's more cloud waiting out there Tuesday night on into Wednesday, and that will eventually suck its way across a good part of the British Isles, gradually breaking up in the west later on the day. But it really will feel quite chilly out towards the east, and I changed the day, but the pattern doesn't really change. An awful lot of cloud around on Thursday, might even be thick enough across parts of England and Wales for the odd spot of drizzle. Best of the sunshine away through Scotland and parts of Northern Ireland. So sunshine